Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install your SIM card and SD card into your ZTE Blade Z Max. Hello everyone, welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel I welcome you to subscribe. Alright, let's go right to the video now. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how to install them. And also how to set up your SD card so that pictures and videos taken from now on save to the SD card rather than the internal memory of the phone. And I'm also going to show you how to transfer old files from the memory of your phone to the SD card so that you can free up space in your phone to download new apps and do more functions with the phone. Alright, so let's go ahead and get right into it. First thing we are going to need is a SIM ejector tool, and it's going to have the SIM and SD card tray here on the left hand top side of the phone. So we're going to stick our SIM ejector tool in the small hole and push it in, and it's going to stick out just a little bit. Once you see that, you can take it out and pull out the SIM and SD card tray. So we're going to go ahead and place the SIM card and SD card like you see here. So with the SIM card, nano SIM with the slanted part up, place it in there like that. Okay, and then we're gonna take the SD card and place it right here like that. Okay, make sure they're both in there positioned correctly. And we're gonna go ahead and get the phone and place the SIM card and SD card tray in the phone like that and push it in carefully. So give it a few seconds and it should pick up the signal and read the SIM card right away, as long as your SIM card is activated. And it is going to read the SD card as well. But now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set up the SD card so that pictures and videos taken from now on are saved to it. So we're going to open up the camera. Okay, it might give you a message to automatically save pictures and videos to the SD card, but if it doesn't, like in my case, we're going to go to the settings and we're going to go to save location. Select that. And then here in save location, we're going to go to up here where it says save location, and we're going to make sure that SD card is selected. There you go, SD card is selected. So pictures and videos that we take from now on will be saved to the SD card. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to transfer old files from the internal memory of the phone to the SD card. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to find the file manager. So here in all apps, it's going to be right here, file manager. We're going to select allow. Alright, so here in file manager, we're going to select where we want to transfer from. But first we're going to select up here local. And we're going to select here where we want to transfer from. So we want to select the phone first. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to transfer over old pictures and videos. So we're going to go to DCIM and camera. So I only have 3 files here, 3 pictures and videos. You're probably going to have a lot more that are saved to the internal memory of your phone. So what we're going to do here is we're going to transfer them out to free up the space. So we're going to tap on one and hold, and then we're going to select all up here. Once you have them all selected, now we're going to go ahead and select this arrow right here, which is to move. So we're going to go back to local here. We're going to select now SD card. I'm going to save it in the same folder, DCIM folder. And I'm going to create a new folder here to organize the SD card. So we're going to name it Z982. Okay. And we're going to select Z982 and we're going to paste it here. So as you can see, the 3 pictures and videos were moved over to the SD card. Let's go back and check that they're not in the phone anymore. So let's go to phone, DCIM, camera. As you can see, there are no more pictures and videos in the internal memory of the phone in the DCIM folder. Keep in mind, you could do this with any other type of file here in the file manager that you want to transfer over to the SD card to free up space on your ZTE Blade Z Max. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it helped you out. If it did, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. So that's it for now. I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.